Are you looking for a way to create a POF account or get a POF verification number? I will leave this site in the description below. All you have to do is go to the site and click on SMS verification. Search for POF. That is plenty of fish. You can see it's 0.75 cents. So they will give you a particular USA number which you can input on your phone when you're trying to sign up for. So here's our number plus 122303075740. So let's copy the number and put it on our POF sign up. So we have inputted it. So all we have to do is wait for the activation code to be sent to the particular number. So let's wait. And mind you, if you are trying to sign up, make sure you turn on your VPN. Okay, as you can see, here's our code 048509. So, so you can see this is how to get a POF or plenty of fish USA number so you can use for verification. So kindly like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question or you need the POF account, just hit me up. So also check out my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.